Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about why we need books in our lives. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Why we need books. Books serve a variety of essential functions in our lives, and their importance can be seen from both practical and emotional perspectives. Here are some several reasons why books are considered valuable. Number one, knowledge and education. Books are fundamental source of information and knowledge. They cover a wide range of subjects, allowing individuals to learn about history, science, philosophy, literature, and many other topics. Books are crucial for formal education, providing students with the necessary material for their studies. Number two, cultural preservation. Books play a vital role in preserving and passing on culture from one generation to the next. They contain the collective wisdom, stories, and experiences of humanity. Literature, in particular, reflects the values, beliefs, and ideas of different societies throughout history. Number three, entertainment. Books offer a form of entertainment allowing readers to escape into different worlds, experience diverse perspectives, and engage their imaginations. Fictional stories, in particular, provide a means of relaxation and enjoyment. Number five, critical thinking. Book Reading books encourages critical thinking and analytical skills. Readers engage with the content, consider different viewpoints, and develop the ability to analyze information. This process contributes to intellectual growth and cognitive development. Number 5. Language development. Reading books enhances language skills, vocabulary, and comprehension. Exposure to well-written content helps individuals to improve their communication skills and language proficiency. Number 6. Personal development. Books often contain insights into human nature, self-help advice, and personal development strategies. Many people turn to books to find guidance, motivation, and inspiration for improving their lives. Number 7. Communication. Books serve as means of communication between authors and readers. They facilitate the exchange of ideas, emotions, and information across time and space. Books allow individuals to connect with the thoughts and experiences of people from different backgrounds and cultures. Number 8. Research and reference. Books are valuable resources for researchers and academics. They provide in-depth information, references, and citations for those seeking to explore specific topics in detail. Number 9. History and documentation. Books are primarily medium for documenting historical events, scientific discoveries, and cultural achievements. They contribute to the preservation of knowledge and serve as a record of human endeavors. Number 10. Imagination and creativity. Reading books stimulates the imagination and creativity of individuals. Fictional works, in particular, encourage readers to envision different scenarios, fostering creativity and broader perspective. In summary, books are essential for learning, cultural preservation, entertainment, personal development, and much more. They play a crucial role in shaping individuals and societies, fostering intellectual growth, and connecting people across time and space. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on why we need books in our lives. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.